Hello and welcome to the 7th video of the Introduction to IoT using NodeMCu video series. In this video, we will create a second IoT project using NodeMCu. So first, let's give you a brief overview on what we will create in this project. So first we will upload the sensor data to the Blynk cloud and then control the LED using the Blynk app. So we will use the DHT11 sensor to read the temperature. We will upload that data to the Blynk cloud and we will monitor it using the Blynk app, and we will also connect an LED which we can turn on and off also using the Blynk app. So what is Blynk? Blynk is a platform that allows to create interfaces for your projects using various widgets they provide. It remotely controls hardware, displays sensor data, stores data, and visualize it. So download the Blynk app from Google Play Store. Now open the app, click on New Project, give it a project name. For example, we are giving it LED and temperature. Now choose the device. In this case we are using a NodeMCu board, so choose NodeMCu. Okay, now create. The project is created and a authorization token will be sent to your email ID, which you will need to insert in your code. Now go to the plus symbol and the widget box is displayed. So first we add a button. Now click on it. Now in the button settings, give the button a name. For example, in this case we are naming it LED. Now in the output pin, select the pin to which the LED will be connected. In this case we are connecting it to D3. Okay. Now in the mode, you can either select a push or the switch. In this case we are selecting switch. You can give the on and off label. Now the button is created. We also need a gauge in which we can monitor the temperature values as read by DHT11. So now click on the gauge. Yeah. So give it a name like temperature. Now in the pin, we will select a virtual pin V0 through which the data read by the DHT11 will be sent to the Blynk server. And we update the refresh rate to 1 second so that the temperature will be updated after every 1 second. And now your project in the Blynk app is created. So now let's discuss a bit about the code. First, make sure that you have the Blynk library installed. If not, go to the library manager of the Arduino IDE and install the Blynk library. So first we install the necessary libraries, then we define the DHT type that we are using and the pin to which we are connecting the DHT11 sensor. Then we are declaring an object timer of the class simple timer, which is included in the Blynk library. Now here you will insert the authorization token that is already sent to your email ID. Now insert your SSID and password here. Now declare a float variable called T, which will read the temperature data from DHT11. Now in the void setup, we are starting the serial monitor at the baud rate of 9600. We are also starting the Blynk server, the DHT sensor, and here this is used to trigger this callback function called send uptime in every 200 millisecond to send the temperature data to the Blynk cloud and display it on the serial monitor. Now this is the send uptime function, which is reading the temperature from the DHT sensor and displaying it on the serial monitor, and via this V0 we are sending the temperature to the Blynk app, and in the void loop the Blynk server is running and also the timer is running on loop, which will continuously run this send uptime function to update the temperature in the Blynk app. Now let's discuss a bit about the circuitry of this project, which is kind of similar to that of the previous project. We are using a DHT11 sensor in which we are connecting the VCC to the 3.3 volt of the NodeMCu, the data pin to any one of the digital pins of the NodeMCu, and the ground pin to the ground pin of the NodeMCu. Now in the LED connection, the positive pin or the positive leg is connected to the digital pin of the NodeMCu. The negative leg is connected via a resistor to the ground pin of the NodeMCu. Now we are going to upload the code on the NodeMCu board. As you can see that it is uploaded. Now we will turn on the serial monitor and the temperature is displayed on the serial monitor. Now in the Blynk app, as you can see, we can record the temperature using the gauge, and we can manually turn the LED on and off using the button on the Blynk app. Thank you for your patient listening. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for further videos on this course. Thank you.